Hi guys, I'm trying this today if it's gonna work. I missed you at the meetup, so I wanted to see if if you could see my screen, and if not, I'll try this again. What we're gonna do today is talk about comparing if you would want this or that car based on what we know about simple interest rate. So you'll see two cars on your screen right now. The first one is a Ferrari and the second is a Lexus. So what you need to do is calculate using your calculator and the formula I equals PRT to find out what the interest rate would be first on each car for 12 years. You would then add it to the price of the car and divide that by 12 months to find out what your monthly payment would be. And then you can tell me which car you would choose. So you're going to solve both problems. First, you're going to figure out the interest rate. Interest equals principal times rate times time for each car. Add the interest rate, what you're going to be paying in interest, to the total of the car and divide that by 12, and that will give you your monthly payment. So if you want to try that, that would be super. Okay, well, hi guys, missed you in the class. We were going to talk about finding out monthly payments and how you would figure that out using the interest rate formula. So on your screen, you see two cars, a Ferrari and a Lexus. You will need to use the interest rate formula that we've been practicing, principal times rate times time. Add the interest to the total of the car and divide it by 12. So for example, for the Ferrari, in your calculators, $245,000 times 0.02 times 12. Add that number to the 245,000, press equals, and divide that by 12. That would be your monthly payment for that car. Go ahead and do it for the Lexus. And then I would like for you to send on me in Google, send me what car you would pick, what the price would be, and why you chose that car. Thanks.